Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to install this seat for you. So just pick up this whole toilet seat and put it back. We're just going to put it on that big top white piece, like this. So, clearly not on right. That's because we have to grab these wires, send it through this hole. One connects to that one. This one connects to that one, obviously. And just pick it up a little bit. And then you're gonna line up this bolt and this bolt with the holes that are in the base. If you line up those bolts, the whole seat will click into place. So let's do that now. Just like that. So these are already going to be connected, so you stuff it back into that cavity. This, rotate it around and tighten it up. It doesn't have to be super tight because it creates a watertight seal with the O-rings inside. You see that O-ring? So it actually goes inside of here and creates a seal. So it has to be tight, but not super tight. So put that on there. And this piece here just goes down like that. One screw holds it in place. Take this, connect it into there, and you can put this back on. Little tab, like that one and that one. It goes right there and right there, and then rotates down. Then you're gonna plug it back in, turn on the water with a flathead screwdriver, and then you might have to turn on the power with this power button, and you'd be all set.